Hello viewers, many people are eagerly waiting for Holi sale because they want to buy many tablets during that sale. So people have a lot of questions in their mind, though I have made many videos regarding Holi sale and I have already said the best price of each and every tablet, yet some users are in confusion and want to know the best price of some of the tablets. In my comment sections, I can see that there are many questions on Samsung tablets as well as on iPad. In my last video, I mentioned about iPad 10th generation 64GB and 256GB variant. If you want to know the best price of iPad 10th generation 64GB version, in that case, it should be 26 to 27,000 rupees. And if you are looking to buy the 256GB variant, in that case, the best price is 35 to 36,000 rupees. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, in that case it should be around 19,999 rupees and the price of Tab S9 FE Plus should be around 26 to 27,000 rupees. I normally talk about the base variant of each and every tablet because the base variant is the value for money product. You don't have to spend too much on the higher storage in case of Samsung tablets because you can use micro SD card slot and after that you can expand your storage. Similarly, if you want to buy Oneplus pad, in that case the best price should be around 23,000 rupees or less for the 256GB variant. And if you want to go for OnePlus Pad 2, in that case for the 128GB version, the best price should be 33,000 rupees or less, and for the 256GB variant, the best price is 35 to 36,000 rupees. Now many users want to know what will be the discount without credit card. Look, if you buy without credit card, you may have to spend 2,000 or 3,000 rupees extra. So my suggestion to you is to collect or manage some credit cards so that you can get the best discounts. And also you have to be ready for the Holi sale. Whenever the sales will start, you have to click on the buy button and buy your favorite tablet if the tablet is under your budget. But if you delay, you will see that the price will gradually increase and after few hours you will not be able to buy that tablet at the same price because the price would have increased. Flipkart has not yet mentioned any price about the tablets, so whenever there is a leaks or rumors or price information, I will definitely let you know through next video. So in the conclusion, you should be ready for the sale and you should buy any tablet of your choice at the time of the start of sale. Otherwise the price will increase and you will not be able to buy your favorite tablet. The second thing is that you have to keep ready credit card so that you get the maximum discount. If you want to know the price or best price of any tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.